Every single day you wake up is a chance to start again, a chance to become a little better than you were yesterday, a chance to make this day count. But most of us, we move through life like we've got unlimited tomorrows. We stroll, we wait, we postpone our dreams. We tell ourselves, I'll start when I'm ready. But here's the truth. No one is ever ready. And time, it doesn't wait. You don't get to control how many days you have left. But you do get to control what you do with the ones you have. Every sunrise is a reminder that life is still giving you another shot, another opportunity to love, to grow, to chase what matters. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. There's no perfect moment. There's only now. Think about it. A year from now, the things that scare you today will mean nothing. The opinions that hold you back will fade. But what will last is what you did with your time. Did you create something that mattered? Did you take the risks you kept putting off? Did you tell the people you love how much they mean to you? Or did you let another day slip by, unnoticed, unloved? We often think one day we'll start living. One day we'll be happy. One day we'll chase the dreams. But that one day doesn't exist, because today is that day. The clock is ticking, not to scare you, but to remind you you're still here, you still have time, but not forever. So make this day count, not by being perfect, but by being present. Do one thing that moves you closer to your dream. Say the words you've been holding back. Learn something new. Help someone without expecting anything in return. Be the reason someone else believes again. That's what it means to make every day count. It's not about grand gestures. It's about intention. It's about waking up and choosing to live fully, even when life feels heavy, even when things don't go as planned. When your days are done, it won't matter how many years you've lived. What will matter is how deeply you lived them. So stop counting the days. Start making the days count. You don't find meaning in life by waiting. You create it every single day.